Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm in the she shop again today. I don't have to go anywhere until like 11 o'clock tonight. I gotta go pick up the kid. These parents and their parties, and it's going to end at 11 o'clock. I'm like, ugh. Anyway, I've made the repairs to the drawer. So you can see I've rebuilt part of the drawer. It's not quite flush with the rest of the drawer. So I need to put a little more in there. We're going to build it up just a little bit more. That's, you know, always the way with filler, I swear. I'm like, got to build it up, build it up, build it up. But I want to make sure I have enough in there so that when I screw into the side to make this stable again, so right here you can see there's a hole right there. There should be another one over here, which is where this broke off, and now I'm using the epoxy to fill, and then I just sanded it down to see how it was, and it's just, it slopes down just a little bit. So I'm going to get that filled, but I'm not doing that till later. I'm going to get a coat of primer on this thing today so that we can get to work. I have chosen for her, for the handles for the little cabinet, if you haven't seen the little cabinet, because it's down here, these drawers here for this little cabinet, I've chosen these handles. I have these that I found. I think I got these at Vintage Junkie. Pretty sure I did. Which kind of fits her rustic vibe really well. This is an extremely modern little cabinet, little file drawer, and she wants it to look country. Well, best way to do that is to give it some country. So we're gonna distress it and try and disguise the fact that it's a pull drawer by putting a handle on it, and she did request a handle. So I picked these because I felt like they were very, very rustic, kind of fit her vibe, kind of country and rustic. So I'm going to get them cleaned up as well. I'm going to, you know, there's some paint on them, get them kind of scrubbed up a bit. I'm going to take them out and hit it with some Dawn, and then maybe use the, I don't want to clean them too much. You know, I'm debating the polish. I'm debating between polish and not polish because I don't want to clean them too much. I mean, I want to clean them, but I don't want them to look new. So it's going to be a game time decision on that one. I'm probably going to use this dental pick to get the paint off, which I won't do because I know it's a horrible sound and nobody wants to hear nails on a chalkboard, but just to take this and scrape that paint away a little bit and then go out and just dish soap, clean it up as much as possible without, you know, polishing them. I want them to look rustic for her. And then I haven't picked a handle for the other cabinet yet. She does want different handles. She wants it less bright and shiny. The feet have the bright and shiny mirrored finish on them. I'm thinking that if I use a lacquer thinner and remove the gloss from the top, that I'll be able to put like maybe an oil rub bronze on it, depending on the handles that I pick. We'll see. Again, game time decision. Stacy will figure it out. She's kind of leaving it up to me. It is 28 degrees here. Thus, the scarf has come back, but I don't want to get paint on my scarf, so I'm taking my scarf off. Love my pashminos for winter, but my neck gets cold then. It's okay. 600 watt bulbs warm me up pretty quick. Yeah, she's leaving it up to me, and I have to go through my inventory of handles. I kind of know her vibe. Well, I don't kind of know her vibe. I've redone all her furniture. I know her vibe. It's my project, and you can't change that. If you don't like it, get your own project. Get your own clients. This one's mine. But I'm going to get some primer on these, like, right now. I'm going to use a roller. Make sure it's a nice even coat over all the surfaces. Nice thing is 90% of this is nice and flat. So make quick work of the primer. This is the inside of the drawer where they tried to make the repair. As you can see, it's like, I will need to fix that as well. There's pieces in here. Can you see that little bit there? That is solid. I don't know how they manage that. But basically, I'm going to end up carving this in. It's going to be great. One coat down. I'm going to concentrate the primer. I'm gonna try and get an extra coat where, remember where the wear was on this, where you saw the white that was popping through before I sanded it? Around the handles, things like that. I'm gonna concentrate the primer there so that there's extra bonding there. So when I put the wood down on it, it has something really good to stick to, because that's the part that we're going to naturally distress away. But yeah, they look all right. I actually went to lunch, had some lunch. Now everything's dry. And I think I'm going to use one of my art brushes. I'm going to sacrifice one of my art brushes because if I remember correctly, did this not clean up right? Oh, no, this is easy cleanup. Cool. Then I'm going to use a bigger brush. This is the soap and water. I don't know what I was thinking of. I don't remember what I was thinking of. We've got our Verdick liquid wood. And a brush. So I'm going to hit the edges. Let's see if I can get you guys down here. Working in tight quarters, but I am going to hit the edges with the liquid wood. I'm just going to take the brush. No, I've never done this before, so we're just making this up as we go along here, guys. And I'm going to hit where I know I'm going to distress, right? So I know I want to distress the doors, and I know I want to distress the top. So that's where I'm going to concentrate here. Ooh. Bit streaky. Wait, I'm going to have to get in your way, so goodbye. This is where it starts to become an art project. So that's liquid wood all over the top of it. And it's actually not a bad color that we're going to distress back to, so I don't think I need to stain it, which is awesome. Sorry, I didn't want to stick my butt in your face. That's what it's kind of a perfect color to distress back to. So we're going to let that dry. I don't know if I'll hit it with another coat. I don't know. We'll see when it dries. But it looks like wood. Obviously, it's streaky. I didn't use a roller. Oh, missed the spot. Missed a spot. Okay. I didn't use a roller, so it's a little more streaky. But because I'm only going to distress back in spots, you won't really notice. Yeah. This stuff's amazing. Again, last time I used this was Uncle Amel's dresser. It's just amazing to see this stuff go on. But let's get it on the drawer fronts of this. And the body too. And then, just as a reminder, so we did this once before with Uncle Amel's dresser. So I'm not really going through my observations on it and how I'm using it and all that stuff. But you can always go to peonylanedesigns.com. I'm reminding you guys again that there's detailed posts on the products that we've used in the videos and the projects that we've done. So if you're ever like, oh gosh, she did that one project and what did she say about that? Go to the blog. It's going to be easier than trying to find the video. Usually the videos are linked if you do want to watch it again. So if I created a blog post from a video, it'll be linked in the post. So you can go there and there's a search bar and search Reticket. And it'll take you to the post so that you can go quickly to the directions or directly to the video instead of trying to find it on my channel. Because I know there's a lot of times that you guys will contact me and you're like, what was that one? You were using this product. And I have to go, it was this. I look it up on my website. It's faster and easier for me to find it there. Because I'm only searching my stuff. If you go to the search bar on YouTube, you're going to get everybody's. Everybody's. There we go. Dang, that looks like wood. And on this, because the texture in this laminate looks like wood, it actually looks like wood. I'm going to get you guys closer so you can see. This stuff's incredible. If I remember correctly, I had an allergic reaction to it, though I'm allergic to birch trees, so I think there might be some birch in here. Let me get you closer. Well, I mean, gosh darn. Looks like wood. Oh, that just looks like streaky wood. It looks actually terrible in the camera. It doesn't look that bad in person. Yeah, it looks really terrible in the camera. Holy cow. I'm always surprised at the difference in what you guys see from what I see in person. And it covers, like, I don't see this white that you guys are seeing. This is tan in my world, but on the camera, this looks very white still. It's not at all white in person. It's a lighter tan, but it's not white. And this is actually a richer tan than you guys are seeing. It's like an orangier color, but whatever. You're just going to have to take my word for it. I'm going to finish cutting. See, now that looks like about the right color. Like fawn color. It looks like a fawn color. Like a deer. Looks like a deer. Trust me. I'm a professional. Anyway. Yeah, as a reminder, it's just easier to find things that we've talked about on this channel on the blog. So go there and do the search, and you can link to the video from that if you prefer to learn from the video. But it's come up a couple times from you guys to say, what video was that? Can you send me the video? Can you send me a link? Go to the blog. It's just easier and faster than waiting on me to respond. If you're reaching out to me on Facebook, I am hella never on Facebook. I do not like Facebook. So I'm never there. It's not the place to contact me. Contact me from anywhere else. But anyway, contact me in the comments here. Better. I actually pay attention to those. I'm going to finish coating the second drawer and then this little piece that's behind me over here. And then actually, I don't think we'll need to stain it. Like, this is a good color just to stress back to. So I'm going to leave it like it is. And that's going to be our Distress 2 color. All right. Yeah. All right. I put a second coat on, but I don't know that it's going to make that much difference. So, yeah. I'm going to let it dry now. I think I'm going to let it dry overnight. So that when I actually get to sanding, I don't know, maybe. It definitely has to dry. But I think the black is going to have to dry overnight. So should I put poly over the top of it to ensure I can sand back to, the thinking that's involved, because this isn't a thing that's been done before. We're inventing this wheel as we're going along. I'm gonna go clean my brush and think. By the way, this brush just like started falling apart completely. The white one and the tan brush that I was using did not. I don't know why the black bristled brush is just like falling apart. So just a heads up on that. All right, it's getting late and I'm gonna have to pick up the kiddo soon. So I'm gonna mix up some more epoxy and get that drawer going so that dries by tomorrow. I've got the holes drilled for the handles and the one piece, and then tomorrow we'll be able to come and paint the black and distress. We've maybe got a couple more days left on it, but then at least I know tomorrow this will be dry. Like, I was worried that if I put it on too soon it's gonna start pulling it off, but it'll be dry tomorrow. But I'm gonna mix up my epoxy and fill that and get the heck out of here. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.